Okay, here's the SC1152. I'm just going to kind of walk through it here. We showed you the videos of it working, and you've seen all the pictures. So the control panel swings out to run it from the side controls, and then it, let's see if I can do this with one hand, there we go, swings in, and locks, and you flick this switch and you can drive it from back here. And then this lovely thing folds in like that. You got your blade down right now. When we did the demo of all the wheels were kind of low on air, so I aired them up. They're in reality probably closer to 30%. They do have a few plugs in them. For the most part, hold air okay. It's been probably 8 months since we touched this thing. It was last fall. Probably would have had a bit better traction. Teeth are all in pretty good shape. They're yellow jackets. So these dual wheels, they come off to make it 35 inches to fit through gates. Simply unbolt those 3 long bolts, slide them off, and then you've got a real narrow platform. Here's your hydraulic tank, which locks down here, which I cannot do with one hand. There are a couple of cracks on the top. Cowling right here and right here. I'm not quite sure how that happened. These things simply pop up like that. And you got your engine. This does not have a muffler to it. What it has are these blankets, exhaust blankets, which were missing when I got it. There was some damage to the fan here. Not quite sure how it contacted the cowling, but it obviously did. But there's plenty of fan left to function properly. I didn't see the point in replacing that. Engine runs great. I did have to replace the fuel rail sensor, which took a bit of time, but I managed to convince, who was it, whoever made the thing to give me the actual numbers. They wanted to sell me a whole fuel rail, and I refused. It took a couple of weeks, but I finally got the right number out of them. And I was able to buy a sensor for $100. Apart from that, this thing's been, we've done all the oils. It came to us with a completely new hydraulic system. And we replaced the engine oil, we replaced the, it has clean air filters. I don't think we had to replace those. Apart from that sensor and replacing the computer, we didn't have to do much. Put a few new teeth on it, and that's it. Like I said, the hour meter's got 900 and some odd hours on it, but you can see, what is it, 982 hours. If you simply leave the key on in that position, that thing keeps spinning. So, and I don't see the wear. you know, a disc with 900 hours on it is going to show some pretty significant wear. I'm just not seeing it. Anyway, that's your machine. You've seen it run. Yeah, take a look, give me a call. All right, bye-bye.